Hello and welcome to another video series from Boadicea the Victorious. I am Mohammed Hassan from Scent Explorer, and today's scent is actually Green Sapphire from Boadicea the Victorious. Green Sapphire, so I have actually the sample. I will show the bottle up here, the image of the bottle, so you can recognize that. So this is the sample. I think it's 5 ml or maybe 3 ml, I'm not sure, but it's plenty over here. So I actually ordered the sample of this many perfumes from this one, and I thought that Boadicea the Victorious, there are very few you can say reviews about them. So I tried to show you how these actually smell. So this is actually a Green Sapphire. Green Sapphire, so let's spray this one. Powdery, a bit fruity start, kind of floral to me. Very different from 3 or 4 perfumes I have tested from Boadicea the Victorious. They are mostly woody and rosy, woody floral kind of. This one is kind of more floral, a bit powdery, on the powdery side I think. I think it has some violet leaf or violet flower. I'm not sure, but there is a very different floral over here, not rose. Okay, raspberry is in the background, a little bit of fruity, but it has been mixed with violet flower or something like that. So it is kind of creating a powdery vibe over here. I normally don't like powdery perfumes at all. I like fresh, spicy or fresh, woody, light kind of perfumes. So this one is kind of light woody. Woody is in the background. Here we have more powdery aspect of this one, a bit raspberry, maybe some violet leaves or violet flower or some floral that is in the foreground. So floral is very powerful, powderiness is there. It is kind of powdery, light woody floral perfume, and for me I didn't like it much. A Green Sapphire, maybe some of you enjoy it a lot, but for me the floral is a bit off-putting. I didn't like the floral in here. Also the raspberry is not kind of raspberry, it is a bit kind of mudded kind of raspberry that has been mixed with florals. So this is my review about Green Sapphire. Floral, I would say, I would call it maybe a purple white floral kind of perfume, which has a raspberry in the background and some woodiness in the background, a bit powdery to me. Yes, very powdery. This is how I feel about this one. Although they say that saffron is there and few other notes like it's aromatic, warm, spicy, I personally think that it is powdery, a bit warm, floral, and saffron might be there, but the note or the accord that has been made by this floral, a bit of raspberry, so all that is actually making a very heavy or warm powdery kind of feel to this perfume. So this is my review about Green Sapphire. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I try to simplify the perfumes as much as I can, try to simplify it in terms that a beginner can understand. So we'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.